Hello, we are in RERB train from Massy Palace to Bourg Reine. Here we have a closing of RERB in May and September. Now we are approaching to Fontaine Michelon. Here you can see view of Paris, outer Paris.
Fontaine Michelon. Attention à la marche en descendant du train.
We are at Fontaine Michelon. We are approaching to the next station. So here you have a place to park your bikes in the RERB train free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. And these are the seats. It's a hot summer day, so we are approaching to the next station, which is Anthony. So from there we can take the train to Orly Airport, direct shuttle train. And we are watching the video from Paris, southern of Paris. Some green forest you can see.
Correspondance pour l'aéroport d'Orly.
Change here for Orly Airport.
So we have reached Antony, and now we have 2 more stations before we reach Bourg Reine, from where we need to change because it's a closing time.
Antony.
The train is almost empty because it's almost vacation time.
Antony. Assurez-vous de ne rien oublier à bord.
Please ensure you collect all your belongings. Por favor, no olviden recoger todo su equipaje.
So this is Antony. Here you can change to take shuttle train to Orly Airport, which is called Orly Val. It's a direct train. Here you can see different type of seating places. And here we see a big empty hall. Here you can see, so we are going to Bourg Reine. From there we take shuttle bus. So we have 2 more stations, Croix de Verny and Bar des Sceaux. So this is on the other side, you can see the cabin, and here is the penalty for wrong use of the emergency alarm. 6-month jail or 3,750 euro penalty. And here you can talk to the conductor in an emergency. And there is a map that shows closing of RERB train between May and
La
September.
Croix de Verny.
So now we are reaching Croix de Verny, which is the station just after Antony.
La
Here you
Croix de
can see
Verny.
out circuit of Paris. Croix de Verny. So we can take buses from here, bus 197 and other buses towards Paris. So here you see unauthorized entrance is penalties, 6-month penalties, and fine, jail, and almost 4,000 euro fine. So here you can see the inside view of the train. enjoy some beautiful view of Paris out circuit. So here you have the tram stop. The train crossing.
Parc de Sceaux,
The station after this.
Parc de Sceaux,
It's all RERB line stations. Park this so. There's another RERB going in opposite direction. So we are reaching in 1 minute.
Bourg la Reine,
Finally we have reached. We take exit from here.
Bourg la Reine. Attention à la marche en descendant du train. Assure.
So it's announcement to get off the
Pour la
train.
Reine, terminus du train, tous les voyageurs sont invités à descendre. Ce train repart en direction de Paris. Je répète, pour la Reine, terminus de ce train repart en direction de Paris. Tous les voyageurs sont invités de descendre. Merci.
It's the last stop. Pick it off here. We take the bus now.
Terminus. Nous vous invitons à descendre. Merci.
All change, please. This train terminates here.
Now we are going to take the bus, the shuttle bus. So this is exceptionally till 5th of August. Till tomorrow it's closed. Now we are going to take the shuttle bus. So we take exit from here and we go to take the shuttle bus. That shows that to take the Navet shuttle bus. We take the shuttle bus now to go to Paris Center. So here you can see everybody is moving. It shows to take the shuttle. It's an announcement to take the bus, the shuttle bus. It's a hot summer day. So here we can see the buses are being parked. So we will take one of these buses that will take us to the center of Paris. And here we can see some camera for ground road mapping. So we can see the shuttle buses here.